Okay. So today we are going to take the topic, activity aids, and let's discuss it in detail. Activity aids. Activity aids means teaching methods that involve students actively participating in activities to learn and understand concepts. That means activity aids are the teaching aids, and in that the students are the active participators, and they learn and understand concept through activities. And also in developmental education, activity aids are the natural method of instruction. And next we are going to look at the types of activity aids. The first one is excursions and field trips. Actually, these two terms are we often use interchangeably, but there is a slight difference in them. First one is the excursion. Excursions means a short journey or trip performed by a group of students from an institution some selected places of importance. That means it is usually conducted by an institution to some important places, and it is mainly aimed for recreation and pleasure, and also it serves as a relaxation between the brisk classroom schedule. This is all about excursion. But field trip is quite different because field trip is a tour conducted to any relevant place outside the classroom with an objective to learn valuable life lessons. And the field trips are usually curriculum linked, and it is usually for educational or leisure purpose. That means it is usually curriculum linked, like our field trip in our B.Ed curriculum. And in that, it give importance to, it is not only for leisure purpose and but also for the educational purpose, and it is usually conducted with the aim to learn valuable life lessons. Example, by visiting the place of Attapadi and all, by visiting the tribal places and all, we get a lessons about their life and all. Likewise, any places that we are visiting, by visiting all the places, we get a valuable lessons. And the next one is the exhibition. I think that you all are familiar with exhibition. Actually, it is an organized presentation and display of selection of items. As you can see in this picture, here what happens is that in school, the exhibitions are usually conducted for revealing the special talents of the people, and also to foster the creativity of students, and also to communicate the novel ideas to children. By conducting these types of exhibitions in schools, they are more interested to reveal their talents and creativity and all. So they are more interested by conducting that type of exhibition. And examples are books exhibition, exhibition of creative writing. So many exhibitions are there. I think it's clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And the next one is the demonstration. I think that you are familiar with demonstration because we already saw demonstration classes and all. Demonstration means it is a practical exhibition and explanation of how something works or is performed. Example, when we saw the demonstration classes, we see what the teacher is demonstrating the process of teaching, and how the process of teaching want to works, and we the observers are simply admiring how the process is going. Like that, it is a demonstration, and it must be purposeful, simple, specific, and effective. And also, as you can see in this picture, the demonstration method, and it shows that verbal explanation and the use of apparatus of display combine together to form demonstration. And also, in demonstration method, the teacher or assigned student or group show a process how it is done, and the remaining students become the observer, and they simply watch what is happening in that method. Okay. And the next one is the dramatization. Dramatization means it is the creation of dramatic performance of material depicting real or fictional events. I think that we all familiar with dramatization because we are language students. Dramatization is usually based on a story. As you can see in this picture, the elements of drama and all. Uh, dramatization is dramatization is usually based on a story, and its main aim is to give reality and concreteness to real situation, and also to give what a new life to the dead facts deposited in the textbook or the minute. And through dramatization we are able to showcase what each and every minute elements are happening in that particular drama or story. And also through dramatization what the students are the actors, so they are actively involved in that, and that help to easy memorization of the learning material. And we know that in drama there will be a setting is there, and dialogue will be there, and also cast and characters will be there. So dramatization is simply performance of a drama by the students. That's why the students are able to get what reality and concreteness to learning situation, and also they are able to actively involve in that their learning process. Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. And the next one is computer. So computer CDs. Computer CDs are small plastic discs which store and retrieve computer data. As we all see that computer disk, it is a small plastic disk and which helps to store data, and they are faster and hold more information, and the information is recorded on the CD by a laser beam. Okay, information is stored on it by a laser beam, and it can store CD can store all types of data like text, graphics, images, video, etc. And these data are stored digitally as in the computer floppies. These the data are stored digitally as in the computer floppies. Computer floppies means a thin, flexible magnetic disk, and it is used in the earlier days to store and transfer computer data. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then next one is the two types of computer CDs. They are CD-ROM and CD-ROM. CD-ROM means read-only memory. That means only read. It is used only. It can only read, not modified or erased. CD-ROM means write one, read memory. That is write only once, and written data can be read many times. Okay, this is all about computer CDs. And next one is multimedia. Multimedia means the term itself indicates that it is a combination of more than two medias of communication, and the synchronization of different media will make the instruction efficient. And a wide variety of media options can be packaged together to form the learning more effective. As you can see in this picture, the multimedia system, the text, audio, video, interactive, graphics, and animation. And also, because of this multi-sensory approach, it promotes easy learning among the students. And also, we can any types of information can be available in any forms in multimedia. And also, it enhances the learner participation. And the next one is the language laboratory that is already discussed by Navya. And also, I will just say language laboratory are usually the study rooms equipped with electronic reproduction system, enabling students to hear model pronunciation of foreign language and to record and hear their own voices as they engage in practice drill. That means in that laboratory, we are the students are hear the model pronunciation of foreign language, and We are able to record and hear the foreign language voice, and we can practice using their voice, and we are able to record our own voices also. And it is a popular technical innovation origin in America. Okay. And the next one is the computer assisted instruction. From the name itself, we are able to get the idea that it is a type of instruction that uses a computer to present information to students. And the most important thing in CA is that three types of activities that can be pursued through the CAI system. Three types of activities that can be pursued through the CAI system. They are logo, gaming and simulation, and control learning. Okay, they are logo, gaming and simulation, and control learning. Logo is a simple programming language which can be taught to children. And gaming and simulation provide interactive and real life learning experience to the students. Okay, logo means is a simple programming language which can be taught to children, and gaming and simulation provide interactive and real life experience to students, and control learning includes both drill and practice. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, next is the advantages of CAI. That is, it multi-dimensional learning, and yeah, and also we are able to review and get and it is interactive and correct.
Ah.
Okay. Then next one is the limitations of CI. They are, it lacks human qualities. That means it fails to appreciate the emotions of students. And next limitation is the restricted. There will be only a restricted test display there, and it is limited sensitivity to students, and poor substitute for actual experience. It is a very pure substitute for actual experience, and there is a software and hardware limitation. And also the overuse of multimedia may divert the attention of students from the content, or also may or causes what the attention decreases their attention span. And also the next limitation is the lack of infrastructure. This is all about CAA. And the next topic is EduSat. EduSat means it is an educational satellite. EduSat is a satellite specially designed for facilitating distant education in India in September 2004. EduSat is a satellite, and it is specially designed to facilitate distant education in India. And it was launched in September 2004. And its function is it cover all geographical areas inside the country. EduSat is able to cover all geographical areas inside the country, and it can provide interactive and cost effective education. It is one of the major aim of the EduSat. It is able to provide interactive and cost effective education, even the rural areas. And it can provide consistency to information, and also it is a satellite fully dedicated to the cause of education. Cause of education means fully dedicated to support the education system. An EduSat network paved way for kite victors was inaugurated by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the President of India, on 28 July 2005 in Thiruvananthapuram. As we all know, the place of kite victors in our life during the corona pandemic, that very worst condition, we are only able to get correct classes because of the kite victors. And this kite victors network, EduSat network paved way for the kite victors, and it was inaugurated by our former president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir in 2005 to Thiruvananthapuram. And it provides EduSat provides a versatile ICT enabled resources for students or virtual classroom technology and or on EduSat for the rural schools. Its main aim is to provide a proper education to the students to the rural school. And also it is an edutainment channel in India. That means it's a combination of education and entertainment. And this project was launched in Kerala mainly with the purpose of providing support to the students in handling all the subjects. Through that, the teachers are able to the teacher will get and help to reach content digitally to the students. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So this is all about our second unit and also about our topic activity aids. So I'm just concluding the whole unit. We can say that from talking to chalking, aids are evolved into the learner's fingertip. That means that education tools and method has evolved from traditional oral or chalk-based teaching to more advanced, personalized or interactive learning aids. Or in simply, we can say that we can see a great transformation of education from teacher centered delivery to a personalized, tech driven discovery. Okay, this is all about my topic. Is there is any doubt?
No.
Okay, then thank you. This is all about my topic.